I'm back out here this morning, and my goal is to remove all of the form this morning, all of the bracing too. Does look like it might rain, but we'll see how much we can get done before then. If it starts raining, I guess I'll do something else, because I'm not quite dressed for a downpour of rain. A light sprinkling might be nice, because what's the difference between the light sprinkling and how much I sweat anyway? So anyway, I removed all of the form work on the side, so it's all off other than that bottom piece, but I just can't get it out, so it's fine. Unfortunately, I dropped a board on this and it just kind of snapped it off, but I'm pretty sure we want a larger diameter hose anyway, so if we can just maybe cut this down a little lower, pull that out and put a new hose in, that might be good. But I'll just do that for now so nothing goes inside, no dirt, no little bugs or anything. So we'll deal with this once I talk to the plumber, find out what they think, and we can obviously put a bigger diameter through, because this pass-through hole is larger, so it can take a bigger diameter anyway. But that's it for that. I'm going to probably start using this lumber to make a well surround for this, so that we have a large spot that we can get into and work on the well if we have to, which we do after that. So I'll probably have a wall going here, across here, then over just in front of that opening. And then I'll have a little hatch at the top. So I might have to go get some materials. I've got lots of 2x4s, but I don't have any pressure treated ply. So I'll probably go get some pressure treated ply for the outer walls and for once I lift this up, so I can use it on the outside of the pony wall. But I'll deal with that in a little bit. So I just finished up making the different walls for the well housing. So I'm going to do that now and put the walls up and around, level them off, and then after that I'll start making a cover for it. I made a big box. So I am not fully done, but the boys are about to come, so I have to clean up. But yeah, so it at least opens. The well is underneath that bucket. I didn't want to put anything in it. It still needs to be secured to the wall, and once I'm able to do that, then it will be a little more functional. And remember, this is going to be like ground level, so ground level is going to be like right about here, so it won't be as big of a deal. And I just had to put a few supports through the center so it can be stepped on a little bit and still be okay. But yeah, it's got a lid. It'll be easier to open once this is ground level, and be able to house the well in it. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna just notice water all on the ground here. The well is obviously got water flow. Look at it.
I can't see.
It's flowing right up. That's neat. Oh, and the boys are here. They're the boys. This morning I'm getting the jacks in place. I made like a tiny little bit of an I-beam going across here. I'm going to take this one to the other side and get it ready. But we're going from, it's about 9 inches from the concrete to the sill over to here, which is a low spot, which is 5.5. So we got 3.5 inches to go up. So this is going to be quite the lift. Anyway, I'll get everything set up so that I got a little pony wall ready. I was able to lift up this back end enough to get this in. My dad's upstairs. He's upstairs working on one of the rooms in the walls and ripping those down. So I'm going to put this pony wall in, and we'll see how far we can get with it. I hope the whole... Okay, so it took a while. I had gotten one of the pony walls in. What was going on is I was trying to lift this, but I was trying to do it from the joist inside, then the supports inside, and that wasn't working. Then I tried a bit on the beam. I had to cut out a bit of the beam, went right through the beam. So instead I cut out a portion of the sill plate and sent studs going right up to the roof plate up here, and I'm just lifting it up directly from the roof plate, and that seems to have worked really well. So I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to do a little pony wall to go in here, and so the roof line is nice and flat across. So you can see I put the 2 jacks either spot. It took me a really long while to figure out how to get this to work, but roof line nice and flat. And I'm going inside right now cutting the rafters on this section, because the sill plate over here is not coming out plumb with itself. So it's off by about 1.5 inches. So I'm cutting all these, and then I'm going to just shove it in that amount. So that's what I'm going to do next.